What's up, gang? Smoothie Cast number 3, health made easy. I just finished the workout, so now we're gonna make a little protein shake using this guy. I don't really drink this, but we're gonna drink it. I got some coffee. It's actually pretty good. Coffee, I put coconut milk, honey, and a little butter. That's what I do, but let's get this smoothie going. It's very simple. Health made easy. Here we go. I should put on some freaking music. I just did a leg day. Pretty intense. But my workouts consist of high reps, low sets. So 4 sets of 20 to 40 usually, and about 5 to 6 exercises. Let's put on some music. Alright, so we got that. We're gonna put this guy in, because I got nothing else. I usually do vegan protein, but we're gonna go this, and this is all I got in the house. Bananas, some of this, right here, some of this guy. We're gonna add, there's the fridge, boom, pretty organized. Coconut milk, just a little bit, to save some of that. We also got PB Fit we're gonna put inside. And I love this stuff, so we'll do 1, 2, maybe 2.5. 2.5 generous scoops. Peanut butter. Put that back. Ice cubes. Oh, that ice. All of it. Okay. Yeah, I'm new to this whole thing, but we're gonna keep posting on YouTube. Health made easy. Some cinnamon, add some of that. Whatever I got in my house, what I use. Oh, right there. Some chia seeds. Oh, nope. Can't forget the music.
That it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall.
I think we're done. Blend time.
And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay tonight.
And that's your health made easy protein smoothie shake. It's Friday. Get outside. It's beautiful. Get some sunshine. Have a great day, everyone.